As you know, the character.ai has many problems lately with the timeout, the filters, and quality of response with. This is why so many users have left their platform. This is why I come up with this new free character.ai alternative called Pygmalion AI. This platform lets you chat with different AI characters with completely free to use and has no filters on it. So let's get started how to use it. Now go on Google and type Pygmalion AI. Now after that, click on their official website, and as you can see, I click on sign up. So after you sign up, you will receive a confirmation link on your inbox. Just click on it to confirm your account. Now after that, they will redirect you to this to create your profile. Now click here to enter the display name. Now here enter the username, as you can see. Now enter your birth, for example, and now create a profile. After that, you can chat with any character here. Now as you can see, click on explore, and now you can check or click on any character, as you can see, and now click on chat, and you will be able to chat with any character that you want, like that. And this is the best free character AI alternative video. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.